Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing with Fluffy Slime. But before I get into the video, I just wanted to say shout outs go to Bella Gaming Awesomeness and Gotcha Lover 0722. Sorry about my voice, it's 5 in the morning, and I'm really tired, but I'm doing this for you guys. Happy Halloween. I still don't have a costume. I'm buying my costume today. Last second. And, I got the slime from Bella, from Bella Gaming Awesomeness. And I added some shaving cream into it. I added a little too much, and now it feels amazing. So, here it is. It has, jelly cubes, beads, just only a little bit because most of them fell out, and glitter, and then shaving cream because I added that. It feels like shaving cream when I squeeze it. If you want to shout out, subscribe, smash the like button, and comment you subbed. Comment down and put in the comments I liked, I subbed. Please give me a shout out, and if you want, you can give me a nice comment, which would increase the chances of you getting a shout out. Only 4 people gets a shout outs. And also go subscribe to Bella Gaming Awesomeness and Gotcha Lover 0722. That will also increase your chances of getting a shout out. And if you do that, tell me in the comments that you subscribe to them too. This feels like a cloud. I really wish you guys could feel this right now. Want to touch it? Bead. I lost another bead. Look at that. Damn. You could probably notice in this video I have more silence because no one's up besides me and Buzz, but he's not in here. this slime has really nice bubbles. Not that pokey though. And also let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. That's beautiful. Boom. Boom. And also let me know if you'd like to get another slime pet peeve video or just more slime. And I lost another bead. Congrats, Aaliyah, for losing like the 15 millionth bead. And lost another one. Beautiful. Well, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Once again, make sure to like. Just hit the thumbs up button. You know what? Not hit. Don't hit it. Smash it. Smash it like slime. Ooh, have glitter all over my hand now. And also smash the subscribe button till it breaks. Oh, and lost another bead. Yay.